Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
A camera raw image is the unprocessed image data from your camera's image sensor. You can use the Camera Raw feature of Photoshop Elements to open the Camera Raw file and process it instead of relying on the camera to process it. This lets you apply custom image processing adjustment settings, like the white balance and tonal range, for example. You can then import a copy of the processed file into the photo editor in Photoshop Elements, like any other image, to further edit it. Photoshop Elements lets you save the processing adjustments to Camera Raw image data separately from the Camera Raw image. This lets the Camera Raw image function like a digital negative for the adjustments. You can save a Camera Raw file's adjustment settings in Photoshop as a separate XMP sidecar file in the same folder as the Camera Raw image, or within the file itself if you choose to save it as a DNG file, which we will discuss later. Keeping the Camera Raw adjustments separated from the actual Camera Raw data lets you delete the separate adjustment settings file to remove them. You can then reprocess the Camera Raw file several times if desired to specify the exact settings you want. After processing a Camera Raw file, you can open a copy of it in the photo editor of Photoshop Elements using the selected adjustment settings, edit it, and then save it as one of many other file types. This lets you save the original Camera Raw data and its adjustments while editing copies of that data. To install Camera Raw in Photoshop Elements, select Help, install Camera Raw from the menu bar in either the Photo Editor or Organizer window. Then follow the on-screen prompts to finish the installation. After installing it, you can then open and edit Camera Raw files in Photoshop Elements.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.